So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to level up the cake so that we can see the beautiful colouring of the sponge inside, and I use a bread knife for this. If you have a cake lever, you can also use it. So I just sort of judge and see, and firmly, making sure your hand is straight, just level it up. You want to do this when the cake has cooled. If you do this on a cake that's still quite hot, it's much difficult because your cake will crumble if it's hot. So make sure that your sponge has nicely cooled down. Look at that gorgeous green colour. Just eye it, make sure it's nice and level. Again, I just go with my bread knife just on the top, so if there's any unevenness, level. If you have crumbs on your knife, just make sure that you clean the crumbs off before each turn. Okay, so again, you're judging where it starts to even out, and then you just make sure your hand is level and just keep going really slowly. Don't go too fast, and it's better to take off too little, because then you can always go over it once more to level it. But if you take too much, then you'll end up with a cake that's not as tall as you like. So in this case, less is certainly better. So just going over it again. Lovely.